Hi everyone and welcome back to the Stay at Home Gardening. Today I'm going to check in with my garden. What's going on? So I've laid out some of my plants. I have a lot of marigolds in here to help repel the bad bugs and to maybe increase the population of the good bugs or insects and pollinators. I have broccoli here in the middle, so I'm going to plant them. I simply scoop away the soil to the side, plop my plant in, gently cover up. I like to put these on the border of my garden and mixed in. Like I said, they help repel some of those bad bugs, some of the pests, and they increase pollinators. Now I'm leaving space in the middle for these plants to mature and get bigger, but I also want to plant some fast-growing plants in between, maybe some radishes, as well as some lettuce to cover the ground and keep it moist. I'm planting some plants that don't mind the cool weathers we're having right now at night, and then they like the warm sunshine during the day. But I'm not planting any of my warm weather crops yet. No tomatoes, no peppers, no eggplants, because of that evening temperatures that are a little too cold for some of those sensitive plants. So I have my broccoli, and marigolds are a good flower to start early. I did start these inside and let them get a little bit hardier and tougher and bigger, and then they can move outside once they're about this size. Now that I've planted them, I'm going to want to water them and make sure just to keep an eye on them over the next few days as they get used to their new location.